Okay, Jody about to do the cinnamon challenge. Alright. Yo, show her the cinnamon. We got the cinnamon. Nami.
That big bar.
We got the spoon.
We got the spoon. Tablespoon.
Come
You
on.
already know.
We got the napkin in
Got
case
the
she
napkin in
throw
case
up.
she throw up.
We
got
got
her
the
water on deck.
We're moving all the stuff away.
About to move my homework real quick. What she got?
Just spit it out.
Alright,
We got this. Yo, we clearing the area.
I got this.
Set it off.
Alright, pour
She
it.
gonna pour the cinnamon.
You can see it.
Yeah, I can see
No,
it.
I'm not moving.
That's a lot of cinnamon!
I got you.
I think it's supposed to be level.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
No, that's a lot.
No, Jody,
That's
that's
a
a
lot though. Nah, y'all violated.
That's how much you put in the thing though, okay. Okay, it's enough. Not Jody, Jody, that's what he did, though. That's what he did.
That's more than a tablespoon though.
No, it's not, Jody.
If you go down there, we're not doing the challenge.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Don't stop taking it more out, like.
Oh my gosh. Let the camera see this. This is suicide. You see this? This is suicide right here. Okay.
Ready?
Wait, can she see it?
Yeah, they can see me.
Let me back up real quick.
Oh my god. My cheeks hurt. Oh god.
Come on, Jody.
Alright. No pressure.
Swallowing. The rule is she cannot chew. She gotta swallow it without vomiting or inhaling the thing.
So I can't smell it while it's going in my mouth? No nasty?
I don't know.
Alright.
Ready? Wait.
Ready?
Wait.
Okay. Alright.
Wait, let me get some water. I'm scared.
I got water.
Right.
Water right here. You know what? I feel pressured. Just a little bit.
Jody, drink.
Don't try this at home, guys.
Do it. Don't try this at home, guys.
Even though we are.
Do it.
All right. Okay, ready? Count down. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2. I was about to do it. Johnny, come on. Okay.
Hey, look. Yo, let me write your will first.
Yo, all right. That ass though. If I don't do it now, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just
1.
What are you guys doing? Huh?
The cinnamon. We doing this.
1. Jody, for real. 1, 2, 3. Swallow it. Now you have to swallow it out one shot. Don't do it.
Huh? Nothing. It's not smoke. It's from a project we're doing. The cinnamon project.
Oh my god. I tried.
Jody's spit everywhere. It's like a trail.
I'm gonna clean it. Oh my god. Look at yo, show them this son. That's right here.
Yo, peep the mess though, like.
Hello? I can't even drink
Don't
water.
try this,
My throat-
guys.